reminding me. No, my heart beat so fast already. Alamak. Okay, where did I stop? What number was it? We did until number. Tadi was until number what? Wait, let me just check the
I
video.
think we baru masuk 7.
7.
Or was it 8? Yeah.
Okay, 7, the solution is here. 8 also is here. Okay, Straza, if you don't know, you ask me. Because I forgot to record earlier. Got it, Okay, so you got 8. So now number 10. Number 10 is, sorry, you got 9, Number 10 is not easy, Number 10, the counter is placed near a very weak radioactive source which has a half-life of 2 hours. Now the counter registers 95 counts per minute at noon and 55 counts per minute at 2 p.m. So if you notice, oops. Okay, this is annoying me. Okay, then. It is 95 counts per minute at noon time. But you must remember, if you look at it, 95 and then 55 after half-life doesn't make sense, isn't it? Correct or not? 95 and then 55. It's not even half of 95. That means it includes what they call background radiation. Okay, so let's say X is the background radiation and N here was the initial activity of the radioactive source, yeah? So this is equation 1. Now, after 1 half-life, the reading was 55. Okay, now background radiation remains the same at X. But now, after 1 half-life, it has become half of N naught. Can you all understand what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Okay, because around us, there's radiation from cosmic rays, from some rocks. There's always radiation. So that's called background radiation. It's usually a very small value. Okay, so if your radiation source is very strong, it will, like, let's say your source is like 2000 or 3000, your background radiation may be 10 or 15 or 20. It is not so much in comparison to the source. But this is a weak source. So that means the source it may be as big as the background radiation here. Yeah, so that's why the background radiation is important here. So now we have two unknowns, two equations. We can solve it. 1 minus 2, I would get half N naught equals to 40 and naught equals to 80. So the initial count was 80. So 80 after 1 half-life becomes 40. After another half-life becomes 20. So what they're talking about time, 6 p.m. So initially it was at noon. So 1 half-life will be 2 p.m. 2 half-lives, 4 p.m. And at 6 p.m. it will be 10. The source will give me 10. However, I need to know what is the value of the background radiation. So I need to know what is X. 95 equals to X plus 80. So you know X is 15. Okay, so what is the expected count? Expected count would be the X value plus the value at 10. Sorry, value at 6 p.m., which is 10. So 15 plus 10 gives me 25 counts per minute. Faham?
Yep.
All right. So we are sort of done with the half-life. Now, if I were to go on to nuclear energy, I'm afraid that I was going to miss out a lot. Okay, come, let's do the SAP book. Chapter 6. I didn't give you any questions from this, right?
No.
Kan? Yeah. So what we're going to do is, we're going to do questions here. Let's look at the objective questions first. So do number 1 and 2, then we will discuss.
Done, teacher.
Done. Okay. First one, Arina.
I got B.
What you got?
B.
B, yeah. Okay, I heard D, sorry. Yeah, B is correct. Honey, number 2.
C.
Okay, betul. Okay. Alamak, I think I wrongly. Oh, I missed out one page lah. Okay, number. I missed out one page. And I don't know how to correct it. Oh. Do I have another one here? Ah, they're here. Okay, this is the correct one, I think. Ah, yes. Let me erase the answers. Marisa, why? Where? think, oh, cannot ask daddy also. Maybe you can ask the other boy in the house. Ask Ryan lah. Okay, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or 3, 4, 5 first lah. If you're done 3, 4, 5, we discuss 3, 4, 5. Hey, 3 can. Oh, yeah, can. No, there's a lizard, Ryan. Which one, boy? Where got new one? Use pencil lah, boy. Multiple choice, only just use pencil first lah. Actually, you can just do lah because I will print again another one. Just do lah, boy.
Done, teacher.
Done, 3, 4, 5. Okay, honey, 3.
Boy.
Boy, betul. Arina, 4.
C.
C, correct. Number 5, honey again.
Boy.
You dapat boy ke? I tak dapat boy. Arina, what did you get for 5?
5, I got A.
I got A as well. Okay, honey, look at it. I think there's something wrong with the graph here. If the initial activity is 800 counts per minute, what is its activity after 1 hour? So actually, by right, the graph is missing this curve lah. 800, then 400. So that means this is 1 half-life. Here. It's 1 half-life. So after 1 hour, you have how many half-lives? 4, isn't it? So 800, 400, 200, 100, and 50. So the answer is A. Okay or not, honey? The graph is missing the curve.
Okay. I missed that one this time.
Okay. So 6 and 7 after this.
Done.
Dana? Okay, so number 6, Arina.
6, I got C.
Honey, did you get C?
Yeah.
Got okay, 7, Honey.
D.
Okay, betul. Okay, now let's go on to the questions here. The half-life of iodine is 131. Iodine 131 is 8 days. Starting with 16 grams of iodine, determine the mass of decay and undecayed iodine after 24 days. So this is actually easy to use the arrow diagram and do, yeah? Okay, did you get undecayed as 2 and decayed as 14? Oh, running out of time.
Yep.
Dapat tak, Hani? Undecayed 2, decayed 14.
Yes.
Okay, undecayed starts off from 16, 8, 4, 2. Decayed. So this initially is 0. Don't put arrow. 8, yes, 8, 4, then that will be 8 plus. Four equals to 12. Number 2.
Teacher.
Number 2.
Teacher.
Yeah.
You know the formula that you showed just now, right? The n
Yes, yeah.
equals 1/2. Yeah, that one, I can use it for number 3, right?
Can. You can.
Okay.
It's up to you actually. You want to use formula, you want to use arrow. Arrow is very simple. You just divide half, divide half, divide half.
Sure, what's the answer for number 2?
Number 2, did you get 26,000?
Yeah.
This is 4 half-life, right? So initially is 1, then it becomes half, 1/4, 1/8, 1/16. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 half-lives. So 4 times 6,500 will give me 26,000 years. Number 3.
Is it 30?
30, number 3. I got 45. Three half-lives, right? So you start with 360. And then 180. 180 divided to 90. 90 divided to 45, right? So the radioactivity is 45 per second. Or you can use the formula n equals half n times initial value. Half n is 18 hours divided by 6 is 3. So small n is 18/6 equals to 3. And not initially is 360. Using the formula, you can also get the answer. 45. Honey, you did a careless mistake somewhere.
Teacher Honey's not here anymore.
Yeah,
She
lah.
texted me saying her internet is bad.
Oh, there she's back. She's back. Honey, can you hear me?
Yeah, sorry to share like a bit just now.
It's okay, but did you make a careless mistake in number 3?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I think I will restart because we only have 2 minutes left.